Alright, let's settle in for a moment. I want to talk to you the same way I talk to a friend sitting in my room, because after weeks of using this thing every day, it genuinely changed how gaming feels. This is the ROG Swift. And the moment you see it light up, you'll know exactly why people chase premium displays instead of settling for good enough. If you're the type who notices detail, really notices it, this is built for you. The kind of person who can't unsee motion blur once they've spotted it, who gets bothered when colors look washed out, who knows deep down that visuals are part of your identity as a gamer. This is for you if immersion isn't optional, it's the whole point. Before we dive deeper, check the current price and stock. These big OLEDs move fast, and availability shifts constantly. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old screen started showing its age. Maybe it was the ghosting during fast flicks. Maybe the lighting felt uneven. Maybe the blacks looked more like dark gray. Or maybe you just felt that sting of limitation, that sense that your setup was being held back by the one thing your eyes land on every second you play. The upgrade feels different here. The first night I switched to this, the relief was almost physical. You sit down, fire up your game, and the world doesn't just look better, it feels cleaner, deeper, sharper. And once you feel this level of clarity at 4K with OLED contrast and instant response, you can't go back. You've outgrown that compromise phase without realizing it. Think about how you actually play. Fast shooters where every frame matters. Open-world games where night scenes finally look like real darkness instead of a cloudy blur. Story games where skin tones, shadows, reflections, and atmosphere finally feel cinematic. Even casual browsing feels premium on this panel, text looks etched, motion feels controlled, and everything carries that smoothness you didn't know you were missing. If you haven't checked today's price yet, do it now. Don't wait for those random spikes or stock drops, this model is unpredictable. Maybe you're hesitating because it's a premium display. But ask yourself this, how much time do you spend looking at your monitor? Hours every day. And every time you try to convince yourself a cheaper screen is fine, something inside you pulls you back. Because you already know what real visual quality looks like. And settling would bother you. One thing that surprised me is how stable the brightness and color stayed long gaming sessions. The custom cooling and graphene layer aren't just fancy mentions, they keep the screen feeling consistent, no dimming, no heat panic, no break in immersion. That calm, steady performance is something you only appreciate once you've lived with a screen that can't handle long sessions. You feel a real sense of ownership pride when this sits on your desk. It becomes the centerpiece, the thing that elevates not just your setup, but how you feel every time you sit down. You don't just play games, you step into them. Stunning depth and clarity, faster reactions feel natural, dark scenes look truly real, a more absorbing world every session, a setup that finally feels complete, a premium investment. You'll need proper desk space for the 32-inch size at some point. The comparison loop gets exhausting. You scroll, you compare, you look at cheaper options, but your mind keeps circling back here. And that's usually your answer. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you put off and regret every time you power on your old monitor. If you're ready for a real jump in how gaming feels, check the price now and make the move. This is the kind of upgrade that transforms everything the moment you turn it on.